What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all see today we're going to get brown coat. Brown coat coming back home, man. I can't wait. I can't wait to drive it, man. Getting back home, see what the new transmission hitting like with the Showtime power. So we finna get up and at it and go and get brown coat early morning cause we got another busy day. You know, I wouldn't go to Summit this morning, but I thought about it, so I gotta go get brown coat. So that's what we got going on today. Feel real good today, man. I'm probably gonna shoot a couple of vlogs today, actually. So, yep, man. Without further ado, we finna roll up on DJ. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Let's do it. Yeah. All right, y'all. Look, we checking in, man. So look, DJ done brought the brown coat and put it in the garage. Man, you ain't drive the thing around this weekend?
I had a lot going on this weekend, man. So I really didn't go too far. You know, I've been working on my new ride, man, that I'm trying to take to the Rick Rod car show.
Yeah,
so
man.
I've been locked down for the last couple weekends, but I did enjoy it though while I was driving. The Junior enjoyed it.
Oh yeah, so yeah, he got the ride in.
Yeah. I got to do a 1-2 pull on it, and he enjoyed it. He loved that. So.
That what's up. I'm glad he got the ride in it, man. So we all A1 no stakes out now. He done got it all together, man. When you had put the shifter in the same day?
Yeah, I did the same day. It took me a little while. The base that they sent for it, it didn't fit, so I took it and put yours in here, and I went to Summit yesterday and bought another base just so I can make yours work. So to keep that same cover.
Oh yeah.
Because that one made for like a console, like car that come with a console.
Right.
And so I had to make some kind of way to make it so it'll actually just cover everything up.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, it is different too. I can see it.
Yeah.
It's different. So they're just like I said, it's like a souped up Z gate. It's just a straight positive detent.
Yeah, exactly.
Versus that end play with a little play in it.
But the cable was stretched on it too, so I ended up after I put the shifter in, I ended up putting a new cable.
A cable. On it too. Had got a little spot in it.
It had a little. It was stretched, man. Probably about 1/8 of an inch.
God.
That's where a lot of that play would come.
I was about to say that was the problem then, cause it's crazy.
So. Yeah, other than that, like I said, that's it, man. So
y'all, hey, we back in the game. We got the Showtime power in here now, man, ready to go, ready to roll. Like I said, y'all, boy, brown coat, boy, good gracious. That paint.
I was working on it. He went next door to the shop, and he said, "Man, that brown coat sure do look good." So yeah, I think it was one of my guys on Facebook. I never met him before.
Oh, okay.
And he came over to the other shop next door, and he seen it. He was like, "Oh, I seen him put it back on." He put it on Facebook when he got home.
Oh yeah, he did. Yeah, that was
he tagged us in it. Yeah,
that was up.
Austin Wright. They used to have the
Austin. Yeah.
I never met him before.
Yeah. Shout out to Austin.
I wish I would have sat down and talked with him for a minute, cause I've been knowing him for a long time on Facebook, but
yeah, he's
never
cool
met
dude.
him in person.
Shout out to Austin, man. Yeah, he got a bad truck too, man.
Yeah,
he got a bad truck, man.
Got a couple trucks, huh?
Yeah. They got a couple on, man. He got some. They love them little truck, man. Yeah, and get down. Shout out to Austin. He been supporting a long time, man. He put my decals on everything too, so I know he'll see that, man. I appreciate you for real. So, man, I'm gonna cut this thing off. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, tuning in, man. I don't have to talk loud, because it's loud in here. I don't know how loud it is on that camera, but in brown coat, everything shipping like it's supposed to. Everything All right, y'all, look, we checking in, man. So made it back. We made it back from Showtime. Good drive. Brown coat is running A1, no steak sauce, man. But look, I'm gonna test this thing out. I'm gonna test it out so we can get some outside footage for y'all too. But y'all see that by thumbnail. But man, before we do that, we got to do donkey of the day, man. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna go get wifey. We're gonna do that, and then y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, this my donkey of the day, man. I told y'all I'm doing this all year. This my donkey of the day. So let me see. What should I put it? I'm gonna put it. You think about right here?
Yeah, that's good.
Right here. So
Yeah.
y'all see the comment right here? Kind of big. It kind of big, man. Y'all see the comment? See now, don't be this character right here, man. It's a clown every day on social media, man. Don't be that person, man. Don't be the person trying to crack jokes and bully people and all that. And then when you get in real life, you ain't gonna say nothing. So y'all see that, man? Y'all see that comment? Look at it. Look, take a good. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
You still okay? It's still right there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna tell y'all what I think about the comment. So it's too big, really. So let me see. It's a little too big. Yeah. Let's see. Still a little too big. I'm about to use the hops. I gotta use the hops. Alright. So I think it's small enough. Now what you think?
That's good right there.
So let me tell y'all what I think of that comment. I'm gonna tell y'all what I think of it. That's what I think of that comment, man. That's what I think of that comment. That's where it belong, man. In the trash. So now I'm done. That's what I think of that comment. Alright. So y'all seen that? Y'all seen that, man? I told y'all, look, all year I'm having fun with people. No matter what platform they on, I'm having fun with them. I'm getting the whole world to laugh. They try to get, they be trying to get the world to laugh at other people. So I'm gonna be the one to get the world to laugh at them. And I'm talking about they gonna get more animated. My little scenes gonna get even more animated. So let them keep it up, man. It's gonna be showtime at the Apollo all the time. But man, look who I pulled up on me, man. Y'all see Cuzzo out here, man.
What's going on, man?
For the new subscribers, then my Cuzzo hit YouTube on screen, LilCrazy Whips Addiction. Cause I know some of y'all new to the scene, but y'all they like my brother more than anything. So they like my brother, man. The new subscriber, y'all probably ain't seen him, cause like I said, he been handling business, I been handling business. People be asking, man, what Cuzzo at? We be talking on the phone. I told y'all everything don't get put on video. Like Rick too. Somebody just recently asked about Rick. Rick doing good. I talk to him every week too. But it just, you know, we been having stuff going on. We got families and kids and all that stuff too. So we have to tend to all that junk too, man. And personal life too. So we finna shoot some stuff, man. Cause we'll get some footage. Oh, you gotta drive R&B. Cause you one of the few people that drove R&B.
I ain't be driving that walks. You mean?
Look, I told y'all, look, y'all be talking about me in the wildlife, boy. Hey, it's all of us. Hey, man, we won't be playing around with nothing, boy. They be on me, boy. They be like, Jay don't mess with no wildlife, period. So don't, boy. We was over Cuzzo house one day. What it was, man? We heard some, boy. We heard some both of us in the lead. It might have been a cat or something. I don't know what it was. It was something we heard in the bush. Oh,
The squirrel.
The squirrel, yeah, it was still what it was. The squirrel fell, boy. Both of us did like that. we finna leave, boy. We finna leave there. But yeah, man, I'm gonna shake this thing down, get an outside clip. And I'm gonna go get the draggy too. Cause like I said, I ain't mango shield this thing in a long time. It been a long time, so finna go get all that. Me and Cuzzo run up the street. Then we're gonna check back in. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all been checking in. Right here. Make it do what it do. rolling in, boy. Woo. Oh yeah, it rolling good. Oh yeah. Can't really get on it real hard, cause it will get on the tire, but it was rolling in. But man, I'm finna turn around. We're gonna get back to the house, see how it look. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So just got back. So few things. Well, let me give y'all let me tell y'all what happened with the pass. And then I just looked at the footage too, Cuzzo got for me. Yeah, this we're gonna have to take it out. We got to take it out. Even the first, the second that got weak now. And it just, man, it just a belly of the beast or whatever. It ain't nothing DJ did. DJ went in, tried to remix what I already had to save time, cause you know I be making content and stuff. So he tried to remix what I had to be timely, you know. We didn't go through the whole transmission. So that's what I said, really part-time Showtime. He really just changed the valve body, made it manual valve body. But it's still a little janky. But he told me, he said before I got it, he was like, Jay, the 2 to 3 shield still ain't right. And he was talking about, I think he said clutch pressure. I ain't sure. Y'all know DJ, the transmission expert. But I think he said something about clutch pressure, which I knew what he was talking about. He was like, man, we just gonna have to go in and anyway to fix it. We're gonna have to go full Showtime. Which I was like, I'm cool. But I just did that to give y'all a pass or whatever, shake it down. And I want to see for myself too. But we gotta, oh, there's the GoPro. We gotta take it out, man. We got to. So I'm finna hunt down me a core. I'm finna pull me a status, man, find me a core. And we're gonna get that thing switched out. And then I'm probably ain't gonna, realistically, y'all, I'm not gonna drive it, cause it's just the way it's shifting crazy and stuff. So I ain't gonna drive it right now. So y'all asking what brown coat? I'm telling y'all now, for the ones that don't be looking at everything, they be the ones that be needing to hear the stuff. But I'm probably gonna set brown coat down for a second. I got to go ahead and handle the business too. I found wife another heater box. I got to order it so the guy can get it on the way, and we can get her car back, cause I know she wanted it, warm it up. AC gonna work, she gonna want that car back. And I already got it solidified, so I'm finna go ahead and order that for her so he can get it shipped. What else, man? We finna shoot some more content, man. Have a good time and stuff. We're gonna bring the we're gonna bring the shotguns out and still do stuff. We're gonna bring the Oculus out, man. Cuz just finna have a good time and stuff. And y'all know Tina got a game today. They're eating, so I said we finna have a little fun before I have to leave and all that. Just shoot some video. But I said I'm finna put this thing up, man, cause it don't need him driving it right now. I'm hunting down the core. I don't be surprised. I probably have one this week. More than likely, I will have a core this week. So, I'm going to do that. I'm finna move Dolo and I'm finna put brown coat in front of Dolo, cause like I said, I ain't going to be driving. But, yeah, all in all, though, I mean, it back home, back in the stable. But like I said, when I get the new transmission, he only did that because, like, when he rebuild a new one, then he'll do it, and then we'll just pop it in and have the car back the next day, the truck back the next day. So I definitely appreciate DJ and Bryce, aka Boss Lady. I call her Boss Lady. Y'all might, if y'all been there, y'all probably call her Bryce. I call her Boss Lady though. But I want to appreciate them, man, for everything they do for real. They some kind-hearted, genuine people. Man, DJ like my family. We've been rocking before all of this. Like, we've been rocking back DVD days and stuff. So it's a pleasure to seeing your brother, man, come up too, like, and just coming up together, man. Like, we all had them conversations, and you know, both were elevating together and stuff. So it's a pleasure seeing that and all that. But I told you I'm gonna do something for him. I already know what I'm gonna do for him too, man. I got something coming, so I know he gonna see that video, man. You too up on me, man. He too up on me. I got to do something. I got to do something for him, man. I got to do something for him. I got something planned though. I got something planned, BCG. I got something planned, so y'all stay tuned in. But all in all, man, everything cool. Finna get old brown coat put up, covered up, and I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.